How you doing, everyone? It's Kevin. I'm back with another video. Today we have another awesome product to review to you guys. We got an Andeli 135 MIG welder here, and we also got the Andeli helmet. Both these products were sent to me to review, and this welder here, this MIG welder, will MIG weld, spool TIG weld, or stick weld. This is actually a really cool little machine, and we're going to be testing it out today along with the helmet. Pretty awesome helmet here we got, and we did a few Amazon videos on this, and we'll be leaving the links to them in the description down below, so you can go over and get some more information on these products in case you decide you want to purchase them or not. So we're going to go ahead and set up some steel and do a little bit of welding. Alright, we got the welder all set up for stick welding, and I got my son here. He's going to give it a try. He really does not know how to stick weld, so I thought what better chance to give him a chance to do a little bit of stick welding with the new welder. So he's going to be trying it out on a piece of metal. It's going to be kind of trial and error, but we'll see what happens.
Go a little faster.
Man, what's wrong with that?
Nothing. I think it looks alright.
That looks pretty daggone good.
It burns through that rod faster than I thought. So
let me give it a little.
That's why I kept stopping. Maybe I want to switch from MIG to stick, but
you never know.
What I got there?
That's pretty nice.
It works good.
It does good. Yeah, it does.
I might have
really.
started going too fast over on this one here.
Yeah, let's
But
get a chip. That's not really that bad. It actually looks pretty good. It's not the best, but like we said, we're not really welders, but my goodness, I could weld my frame together on my trailer pretty easy with that. Okay, now that we tried out the stick welder, we're going to go ahead and set this machine up for MIG welding, and that is right down our line. That's what we do. We MIG weld most everything, so we're going to see just how well this thing will MIG weld. Okay, the first thing I wanted to show you guys on this welder, and as you can see, the welder is over there, and this is your lead. This thing has a long lead on it, which I really like for when I'm welding, that I can move it around in the shop with that long lead. Now the welder itself does not weigh very much at all. You can carry it around. Actually, it's very light and very easy to use. You can also hook this to 110. You can hook it to 110, just a conventional outlet, or you can plug it into 220. The helmet, we went through this a little earlier. I can show you a little recap on what we had done with the helmet. This is an awesome helmet. I really love the lights on this thing. All you have to do is push the front on, hold it down. You got about 4 hours of run time on them lights, and you got different levels of light. You got dimmer, dimmer, and then bright again. This is really nice when you're in them dark spots. This thing is going to come in really handy. Hold it in, hold your button on, and then it'll go back off. So we're pretty much set up here with a piece of metal. We're going to go ahead and do a couple beads with the MIG welder and show you guys how this thing works. I'll tell you what, this helmet is amazing. I'll tell you what, the helmet and the welder is doing great. I really enjoy doing the MIG welding. Alright, my son's going to give it a try there and try out that helmet and try out this MIG welder. What do you think?
It looks good.
Yeah, your welds look better than mine. Let's try the lights out on that helmet. I'll turn the lights off and then you give it a shot and see how it works. Oh, wow. See if you can weld like that.
All right. Looks good.
If you was in the dark, you could weld, eh?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. All right, that was the Andeli welder and the helmet. Now, don't forget, we're going to leave some links in the description down there, some Amazon links. If you guys are interested in these, check them out, and you can see the video. I'll leave a video in the description below. That way you guys can get a lot more information on these products. Honestly, the helmet is very, very comfortable, and the wide range, what you can see is a lot. I mean, you even have those side opening on the side. This is actually a really nice helmet. Very big shield on it. I like that for being able to see. Works great. And the welder also. We really enjoyed using the welder, and I think if you're getting started and you want something affordable, this is the way to go. All right, I would like to tell everyone thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave me thumbs up, thumbs down, or a comment if you'd like.